standing in the garden, just think of what we're starting. I've been waiting for this day all my life. You be dressed up in your finest, you see beauty at its brightest.